The demand for infrastructure in mainland China is expected to go up in the next few years. It could range from buildings, roads, highways, and bridges. In order to construct them, you need workmen, material, and construction machinery. This will cause an increase in demand in the construction machinery market. We start off with our market at the equilibrium with price at P1 and quantity demanded at Q1. The increase in demand for infrastructure causes an increase in demand for new construction machinery, shifting the demand curve right. The price doesn't change straight away, so quantity supplied stays at Q1, but quantity demanded is higher at Q2. Due to the shortage created, the price will gradually increase to eliminate the shortage. The quantity supplied will increase from Q1 and the quantity demanded will decrease from Q2. The price will continue increasing in order to eliminate the shortage. Eventually, a new equilibrium will be established at P2 and Q3.